You will decide on 3 locations to sample. Each location should be a surface that is likely to harbour microbes. Avoid smooth surfaces such as stainless steel. Also avoid surfaces that might be cleaned regularly, such as the door handle. I will sample the lab bench for my first location, but it is not actually a good choice, as it is smooth and cleaned regularly. I want to sample an area about the size of the agar plate. The swab should be pressed down with medium pressure, enough to bend the stick. As the swab is moved, it should be turned so that all surfaces of the swab contact the sample area. Here I have gone back and forth across the sample area, but the most important thing is that each sample you take receives the same procedure for sampling. For the purposes of this experiment, we want to make sure we have the best chance to pick up microbes, so be thorough. Transport the swab back to the agar plate and decide which segment the swab will be applied to. You will have notes to help you remember. In this case, I am going to apply the swab to segment 1. The plate is placed flat on the bench, with segment 1 furthest away, at the back of the plate. This allows us to open the plate the smallest amount and keeps the swab angle relatively flat. Apply the swab with gentle pressure. Too hard, and the swab might puncture the agar. The agar has the consistency of hard jello. Begin pressing lightly, then you should be able to feel the resistance of the gel to the swab. Stay within the line of segment 1. Turn the swab as you apply it, so that all surfaces of the swab contact the agar. Go back and forth until the whole of segment 1 is contacted. Then remove the swab from the plate and place the swab on the bench out of the way. If the swab is very dirty, you can throw the swab away into the trash can. You should be able to see marks in the agar showing where the swab made contact.